the 2015 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van stands out among competitors in its class. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Honda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, power front seats, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, anti-whiplash front head restraint, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.